Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the Facebook season expired problem. You can see this is the problem, Facebook season expired problem. Okay, let's get started. First, go to phone settings and scroll down, then tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Now tap on Facebook, scroll down, then tap on force stops. Okay, now tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete. Okay, back. Now tap on permissions option, first to last allow all permission, and first calendar allow back, second camera allow back, another contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, and phone, photos and videos. Last allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen. Now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Now check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and open your Facebook app and now enter login your Facebook, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now. Thank you.